Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If snap layouts are not working on your computer, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to do is to check if the snap layouts are working, and for that the shortcut keys in snap layouts are the Windows key plus the Z key. So you can see snap layouts here. What you can do is you can click on any layout and you can select which screen you want to input. For example, I will check the notepad screen. So if you can see, I am now running two windows here. You can run three windows and so forth and so on, and then just cancel it to run one screen. Now if the shortcut key is not working for you, then we need to do some things like uninstall the conflicting apps. By conflicting apps, I mean any app that you have downloaded and installed that can change the appearance of windows, like making it more snazzy, changing the background at a certain time frame. So you need to uninstall those apps. The third one is to make sure that the screen resolution is at the recommended setting. So for that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will click on system, click on display, and we will check that the screen resolution is set to recommended and the scale is also set to recommended. And then we will again type press the W and the Z button to enable the snap layouts. Now if that is not working, we will run an SFC scan to check some errors and correct them. So we will search for command prompt and right click, run as administrator, and enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter, and it should start working. And if it doesn't, then we'll have to do a final registry fix. For that, we will look for registry editor and then click on run as administrator. Now we will go to the folder hkey current user. We will expand on it, and then we will expand on software. We will then expand Microsoft, and then we will expand Windows, then expand current version, then expand Explorer there, and in that you need to select advanced. Now in advanced, we need to create a dword 32-bit folder which is enable snap assist flyout. So if it's not there here, we will create it. Right click, new dword 32-bit value, and you need to name it enable. So remember folks, the capital and the small letters should be the same. Enable, E is capital, snap, S is capital, assist, A is capital, assist, and then layout, L is capital, flyout. Enable snap assist flyout, okay, and then right click on it, click on modify, and change this value data to 1 and click on OK, and you should be able to use the shortcut again, the Windows key plus the Z button when you are in any folder, and the snap layout should start working. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.